It's gonna jump through the box. Wow, that will be interesting. Yeah, that will be interesting to see. That's because it's high. It's up there, and we'll see. Can you do it now? Soon. Okay. Okay. Yeah, just drag it like that. Yeah. Just pull it down. You know what's inside it? Cars. Monster trucks. This one's full of cars.
Dalmatian.
That one is Dalmatian.
Yeah.
Okay, show me. Show me.
So,
Whoa! Wait a minute. Let's line it up.
oh,
Okay, ready? Whoa! That almost got in the box. Yeah. Oh, you try again. El Toro Loco, tan 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 tan. Oh, you missed. Whoa, that almost got in the box. Whoa. But that one is a tow truck. This one is the mountain truck. Oh, you missed. Nothing got in the box. Maybe it's too far. Try again. You miss again. Oh no, that's way too big. Way too big. Whoa, yeah, there you go. Good job. You did a good job. Oh no. See, line up all your monster trucks, and then we can go like this, like that way, and then you can shoot them inside. Yeah? That's a good idea? Yeah. Oh, there's more monster trucks here. You want to get all these monster trucks here close to you? You don't need to go back and forth. There. Okay, you got lots of monster trucks. That one is also fun to do, but that I think that needs more batteries. This one. And then he's watching Caleb on YouTube playing monster trucks. His favorite YouTuber. Yeah. You like Caleb and his haircut? What? Oh, there's a fish. Missing fish. Well, this one is garbage truck. Yeah, you're right. It's Hot Wheels. This one is mix of Hot Wheels, monster trucks, and monster jams. Yeah. Yeah. Monster truck jam. Monster jam.
How does the monster truck jam?
Yeah. Hot Wheels monster truck jam. Let's mix up.
Yeah, put a mix up. Max D.
Max D. Mega Rex. Say Sarah Digger. And El Toro Loco. Are you missing something? Are they all complete now?
Yeah.
Where's your Avengers?
Okay, yours.
Okay. All right, let's start.
Get it.
You miss. Maybe we should put tape. Yeah, that way it doesn't go move. Okay, now it's ready.
Super day.
Okay. Hopefully they don't move. Whoa! Yeah, it jumped high. Okay, you're aiming to the hole inside the box. Okay, try more. You miss again. Mm-hmm. Try different one. Maybe you should try different one. Whoa, I'll try different one again. There you go. You got one. You got one inside. You can see from there. There you go. Now you can do more. Oh, that's 6-wheelers Stegosaurus. Whoa! It went in. Yeah, oh, they're fighting inside. Okay. Oh no! Torn apart. Yeah, you see? Oh no, he's getting crazy. Caleb is playing too, like JJ. Oh, you don't need to fix that. That's gonna break apart again. Whoa, it went in. Yeah, your back. I can see only your back, not the car or the truck. You should turn around. You missed the box. Went over there. Whoa. You missed. You missed the box. It's behind the box. Oh, is that what you want to do? It went in. Yeah, good job. Ready? Start team. Whoa, it went in. Mega Rex. The 6-wheelers Mega Rex. Yeah, this was 6-wheelers Mega Rex. It missed. Missed the box. Yeah, watch it. Whoa, it went in and out. I guess there's too many of them in there now. Oh, it went in. Good. Ready? Set. Go. Whoa! That was really went over. Yeah, it went over the box and go up there. So far. Yeah, it went over the box. Yeah. There you go. Went in beside the box again. Yeah. What is it? 86. Oh. Oh, do it again. 89. Went in. Good job. There you go. Have to fix it first. Max speed. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, good job. You aim it and you made it. Mega Rex. 1, 2, 3. Whoa.
What's sound?
Oh, it's standing up.
What's that sound?
It sounds of a hit something. The monster truck hit the other monster truck. Yeah, exactly. Choo choo. Whoa, it went over the box. Double feet. Oh, double speed. It's not the monster truck, but it's a mini monster truck 68. The version of that one that you just went in, that version. Oh, it's standing up. Good job. Whoa, good job. You went in. I'll throw loco 1, 2, 3. Oh, it went over the box. Is it? It went like that? Try again. 1, 2, 3. There. Let me see. Let me see all of them. Wow. Yeah, they're on top of each other. Good job, JJ. Thanks for watching. Yay. Okay. Yeah, so those monster trucks are going to run over this ramp and jump over the box, or not over the box. This box that has like monster trucks, 6-wheelers, and then JJ have to knock over those 6-wheelers monster trucks. If you knock it over, you win. Okay, are you ready?
Are you ready?
On your mark. Sit behind it. Sit behind the trucks. Yeah, right. Ready, set, go! You knock one. Good job. Okay, another one. Ready, set, go! You knocked two. Way to go. Good job. Uh-huh. Good job. But now, this time, it's gonna be on different. One is hanging, and 2 are on top of the boxes, or box. Okay, on your mark. You gotta go behind the box, or behind the monster trucks. Ready, go! One down. He's so excited. You got one. Yeah, the back of the fell off too. Fine. Okay. Yay! Yay! You got 2. And then the monster truck went inside the box. Good job. Yes. Okay, this time is different. They're on top of the box and around is here. Though, yeah, the back of this truck are not together. And all the cars, our monster trucks are lining up and waiting. Okay, are you ready? Whoa, you got one in this. Hell. Whoa, good job. One more time. 2 more times. Whoa. There's one last monster trucks. Truck. Let's try. Whoa. Whoa, this is very tough. Whoa, you missed again.
Okay, so he'd be like right here.
Whoa, he's really tough. He's still on top of the box. One more time. Whoa! There you go. They're all knocked over. Good job. Okay. Whoa.
That's that.
Okay,
That's
now.
that.
Oh, that's a truck?
Yeah.
Wow. So this time it's different. You're just gonna knock it over those. 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 Okay, on your mark, ready, set, go. Oh, you got one inside the box, but you didn't knock one of them of the trucks. Oh, it bounced inside. Is it like that? That's what happened.
Yeah.
Okay,
The bad guy.
I was a bad
Here's
guy.
the bad guy. Here's the bad guy. Who's the bad guy?
Oh, interesting. Nope, you push it down.
And put it for you. The bad guy like this.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think's going away?
This is a bad guy made for Christmas.
Okay.
I don't know who won, but I know he went far.
Whoa, you missed. Wow, that's high. So much. Too high. Whoa. What are you doing? You're just throwing it and you're not doing the ramp. There you go. Yeah. Do it again. Maybe you're not almost fall. Yeah, that should fall off soon. But yeah, aim in the box, inside the box, then they will fall out. Yeah, aim inside the box. Ready, set, go.
Maybe Jurassic Park.
Inside the box. No, you just drawn it. Ah! Aim it inside the box. There you go. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa! It fell. Almost. The bad guy fell. Yeah, good job. Yeah, in the water. There was a trap. Oh, yes. A good guys? That bad guy. But you still have two more monster trucks to fall, to drop or to knock over. Oh, you got last one. Okay, it's your lucky one. Make sure you aim it inside the box. Yeah, you did it, but they didn't fall. They didn't fall down. Oh, you missed. Do it again. Wow, what happened, JJ? You broke the box. You're too strong. You broke the box. Yeah, I don't know. Did you push it too hard? They're valuable? Oh, you try again. Stick it together.
Oh, the other guy.
Hey! Don't break it.